Welcome to the tutorial of my 10 minutes map for this year's 30-day map challenge, where I'm going to show you how I will find a new spatial dataset and how I will visualize this within 10 minutes. It is going to be timed and of course all in Python. So without spending any more time here, let's see how it works out. Alright, so here we are doing the 10 minutes map. So I try to do my best to do this without any slip of my tongue and also time it, so make sure that it's gonna fit into the 10 minutes time frame. So first I will go to the website called Kaggle. And here I was already looking around on what type of locational data I should use, but I spent just a minute on this, so I would say it should be fine. And I think that there was a coffee dataset that I thought would be nice to visualize, but now I can say it. Yeah, coffee quality with locations of origin. So this is a CSV file, harvest here, country of origin, and a couple of scores. So let's download it. Okay, so I will only cut the part where I downloaded the file and selected the download location because I was just moving around in my Dropbox folder. But for now, it should be downloaded into the local folder of my code here. And let's see what we have in the data file. Okay, we will need pandas and geopandas. Let's read the country level file. And from another days of the map challenge, I will also import a country level map, which is going to be the usual natural earth dataset. And the reason I make so many typos is because the microphone is kind of covering or blocking out half of my screen, so it's a bit trickier to type this way, but it's gonna be okay. So now I'm not sure that the country of origin will be matching perfectly to the admin column here. Some countries may have different names or different spellings, but for now, because we are timing this, I'm not going to dive into cleaning up the strings because that can take a few extra minutes. I will just keep the admin and geometry columns in the GeoPandas data frame, which is called admin, and merge the CSV to it. We have 228 difficult numbers, so more than 250 rows. So I think that most of the countries were matched properly, so that's good. We can also do a quick plot just to make sure it's all right. Okay, looks good. And now let's see the type of measures we have here. Balance, acidity, aftertaste, flavor, aroma. Gosh, that's so many different parameters about coffee. I have no idea which of these measures make sense. But I asked ChatGPT to create a color map matching the topic coffee. And then I go back to Kaggle and see which of these features would make sense to visualize. There should be some description about the columns. More, yeah, here it is. Taste. I'm looking for something that's like an overall quality parameter. Okay, here we should have the Matplotlib color map for coffee. So let's just quickly plot this map. And I will just use the aroma column or uniformity, whatever, the aroma. And the coffee color map. And it's not working for some reason. So let's see, what do we have here in the admin? And the time is ticking, it's very pressuring. Can see the columns. Yeah. Let's call this merged. And yep, that's it. And there we are. Okay, so now we will need to add a base layer of all the countries which export coffee in gray with some major or significant opacity. Yep. Okay, this is not bad. And now I asked ChatGPT to clean it up, so hopefully we are going to be just within the 10 minutes scope. Yeah, here comes the polished map. So I've been using this ChatGPT session for a while, so it knows what I like and how I like my maps to be cleaned up, and this is actually it. So here I even have a nice coffee emoji, and this is how we managed to visualize coffee aroma quality all across the globe from major coffee exporters using Natural Earth and the dataset from Kaggle.